Good evening. Welcome to WJZ.com. A very volatile day with storms here and there. We've had one tornado warning in Washington, Allegheny County that was in effect for about 15 minutes. Right now, 71 in Hagerstown. We're at 68, very warm, humid conditions for this time of year. 62 in Ocean City, in the low 70s down in Fredericksburg and La Plata. 63 out in Cumberland, and 54, a cool day out in Oakland, Maryland right now. Shower activity, we've got the winds currently now out of the southeast. 10, 15, almost 25 miles an hour. A couple of spots around the region right now, as you can clearly see. Now, as far as the radar is concerned, we have right now a severe thunderstorm watch north of us and one severe thunderstorm warning. This is the same cell that moved through Hancock about 25 minutes ago. It's now moving up toward McConnellsburg in Pennsylvania. That is a strong thunderstorm. We've had some reports of wind gusts 40, 50, 60 miles an hour with some of these cells. Right now, we're still under the tornado watch officially until midnight tonight, except on the eastern shore. Let's take a look at radar. Here's Baltimore. Here's D.C. down here. Shower activity now moving to the Washington area. Just west of Washington, a whole batch of very heavy rain, lightning, and thunder. Some severe weather around Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Also extreme southeast Virginia. A couple of tornado warnings down there. That's moving off to the east, northeast. So I think some of those are going to cross east of Richmond in the next 30, 40 minutes. May impact the southern bay. Maybe you folks in Dorchester, maybe Somerset County, perhaps over the next hour and a half as it moves up your general direction. Baltimore, we've got a batch of rain heading in from the west, southwest. Some of it on the heavy side. Certainly could see some possible flooding. That's why we saw that flood watch in effect and through late tonight into the morning hours. Heavy rain north of us now, and on the heavier batch now. This is essentially associated with the frontal boundary that's going to cross the region overnight tonight. So heavy activity for the next, let's say, the next 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours or so before things begin to quiet down. So 7 o'clock, rain in the area, heavy activity south of us, moves through the region. By 11, still activity, but later tonight to morning hours, we'll look at things beginning to clear out. Even some sun tomorrow. On Sunday, remaining cloudy with a lot of cold air coming along. Could see a couple of sprinkles, maybe a brief shower, but not a beautiful day on Sunday. Monday, things begin to improve. A lot warmer for Tuesday and Wednesday with much nicer conditions by next week. So overnight tonight, severe storms certainly possible. Heavy rain, some flooding possible. Even an isolated tornado is still possible in some areas in Maryland and Virginia over this next several 4 to 5 hours. 62 degrees by morning tomorrow. Some sunshine, breezy, mild. And clouds, yeah, maybe a brief shower here and there. South winds picking up. The next 7 days, 64 cooler with a shower around on Easter Sunday. 71 Monday, a nice day. Tuesday, warmer, 80 degrees. Clouds, 69 on Wednesday. Nicer day here, Thursday and Friday, upper 60s to the low 70s for the end of next week. Certainly we'll have an update tonight, and anything that happens this evening will be coming up to you live throughout the evening hours. Stay with us.